Hi, how are you? My name is James, and I know you guys have been asking. Of late, we have not brought you any commercial project. We have been busy working on the domestic spaces, and that is true because a lot of people are constructing their main houses, and they are moving from rental to their own houses. So we have been busy in that side. However, we are still trying to bring in commercial spaces also, and here we have one that we just completed, what kids love and all that. So coming up with the theme was a collaborative idea from us and also the client. So just check it out, and you be the judge, see how it came through, how our guys executed it, and let's meet at the end of the video. So we begin with the site visit. When we go there, we take pictures of the space, we evaluate the space, we do the measurements. Then once we are done with that, the data is used to help us develop a design. So on our first day, this is what we were able to do. We got to the site, we started dismantling the existing items. Those are the cabinets, and also making sure we are prepared for ceiling installation. Yes, so meanwhile the plumber was still doing the water heater installation, and that would not interfere with the other work being done at the main space. So the demolition was still going on, dismantling of the existing cabinets. Remember, these were owned by the previous owner of the space. And as he's doing that, the ceiling layout is about to begin. Actually, it's beginning. Yes, you can see the blundering has been done, and it's still going on. Once the blundering is done, we will have the flat ceiling installed. Yes, as these guys are winding up, preparing the walls. You can see the plumber is still winding up. Now, generally, these works go hand in hand. When the ceiling is ongoing, the plumbing is ongoing. As long as there is no interference with any of the works going on, each party can continue working. You can see the wireman, the electrician is still doing the wiring, the looping, and also system creation. In this one, we are going to have several systems. You can see a lot of wires, different colors. We are going to have the CCTV, the electrical, the water heater, the socket system, the lighting system. We are going also to have the sound system, the visual system, that is the television signal. Yeah, and all those systems are going to be incorporated there. You can see now we have started the design, the ceiling design. Here we are doing the clouds. Yeah, clouds excite kids, and as they are doing that, yes, as they are doing the design, electrical is still ongoing. You can see also the cabinetry is still ongoing. At this stage is just the cutting. Now also the counter area is being constructed. You can see the welder there is doing his thing, is constructing that one, and also the PowerPoint are being created. You can see now, and again the ceiling is still ongoing, so no work is interfering with the others. Everything is just okay, and also the counter is being done. So basically that is what goes on. Some work go hand by hand. Now once the walls are ready, you can see we printed the murals and they have already been delivered. Here is just a matter of preparing them for installation. And when they are done, you see we have already started installing the whole mural. Remember, we couldn't do this at first because we feared that the gypsum filler would, make them dirty or stain them. We didn't want that. So this one has to be done after all the dirty work has been done. Yes, you can see the guys there busy installing the mural. This is a one photo mural. Yeah, you just create one big image and print it out. And both sides, you see at the salon, we have the feminine themed mural there. Yeah, very attractive for, female kids. And yeah, and also the other side, we have a Spider-Man, mural there, just to excite the boys at the barber shop. So that's how we divided the space. We have the barber shop side, we have the salon side. Then there we have some few minions. This big image is neutral. We selected a neutral image that would, excite both genders. On another day, here we are just clearing the space to prepare for today's work. Today, mostly we are going to be having cabinetry and the mirrors being installed, some lighting. You can see lighting still ongoing. And you see also the sound system will be ongoing. Yes, we are done with the mural. So then there's some painting that might be beginning tomorrow. So as we prepare for that, we have to install all the appliances, the wall appliances, the fans. You can see them installed, the TV bracket, yeah, and also test the lights to know whether they're okay. As we always insist, you have to do the system testing as you are installing them. Now that is pretty much of what we have done so far. Now day 5 camera installation, mirrors are also going on. They leave a provision for the mirror light, so all these systems have to be well catered for. You can see at the counter we have the lights there. They are supposed to act like the eyes of the chicken there, and we also have the beak. You can imagine how the outcome will be. So we have already the mirrors installed. We have the mirror lights still being installed. The cabinets have been installed. We have now the space. Now, as you notice, below the walls, we haven't painted anything. We haven't, installed the mural below the walls. This is because we are not going to install murals there. That space, we are going to paint it. Again, you can see our cameraman there trying to, to configure the CCTVs. Now here we are preparing the signage. It's getting ready. We have to test it before we deliver it to the site. And once we get it to site, it's a matter of unwrapping it and mounting it, because the provision has been done. And this is a 3D signage, so you will see how it lights. Now pretty much of everything has been installed. You can see below there we have painted different colors to represent different genders, and now we are painting the ceiling. And mind you, the paint that we are applying on the ceiling is matte, and below there we applied the glossy paint that is easy to maintain. Now we are doing the branding. You can see the signage. Yeah, you can see how the branding looks after it is done, and also our lights also are on. Yeah, we are going to change this one. It was not supposed to be the one getting installed there. We are going to replace it with the marble contact paper. Now, pretty of everything, you can see the CCTVs are working, the fans are working, the sound system check, lights system check, the TV system check, The cabinets check, mirrors check, millerite check, and also the branding check, painting check, washroom cabinet check, extension staircase check, hanging chrome pipes check, the water system and the water heater system check. Now what remains are just a few details, a few minor details. You can see now we have interchanged that contact paper with a marble one, and it looks better. And the intention was to make the counter area look neutral, not feminine, not masculine, just neutral counter. You can see where the systems have been kept. You have to make sure they are well isolated from the rest of the areas to minimize tampering. You can see now we have delivered the appliances, the seats are already on site. Salon and barber shop appliances, we have brought them, they are here. Also you can see the washing chair has been installed. You can see the counter chair, nice one, just a small one that can fit. You can see the rest, the waiting chairs there, waiting coaches, they are ready, delivered. Remember, those ones we constructed from scratch so that they could fit the design. And everything fits out. Though the TV have been installed, now we have two TVs, the side of the salon and also the barber shop. And today we are just showcasing to the client and telling them how the system works, showing them different functions of different items there and how they are operated. And yeah, you can see the chairs, the stylers, and the barber shop chairs. Yes, you can see the fans are operational. And this mural for the minions, if you can remember at the beginning of the video, there was some pipes there. We used the mural to hide the pipes so that the wall could remain just as flat and smooth as it was. As interior designers, you have to make sure the outcome of every effort you make is neat. Neatness is one of our key principles. Yeah, once everything is okay, now we have our testing day. This is now the day we are handing over. We have to go through again everything, make sure it is working properly. And remember, every project we do, we always have a 3 months free service. Yeah, especially for commercial spaces, we know things break up here and there, so we give you a 3 months like guarantee. Yes. So you can see also the water dispenser and the other items, they are well placed there. And that is pretty much of what we did. So guys, that is all from Wishan, this project that we are handling. And see you next time. Thank you for watching. I hope you have seen how that project turned out. You have seen how we combined the theme, the kids theme, with all the murals, and I know you have seen it. So let me know below in the comment section. Let me hear your thoughts on how you think about the whole project. And also, if you think that we did a great job and maybe you'd like to engage us, our contacts are there. And also you can visit our website to see more of this kind of project that we have done. We have done many beauty parlors, we have done many barber shops, many salons, and I'm sure you might see one that interests you, and maybe you have an idea. So guys, thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe to our social media channels, follow us in our handles on Bye bye. See you next time.